Hi students of intermediate. I hope that you will be fair, fine and in the pleasant mood. As you know that today I am teaching you second lesson, that's name is True Beauty, composed by Thomas Carew. In fact, Thomas Carew presents himself with this lesson illustrating two types of beauty that is known by the name of physical beauty and spiritual beauty. Poet is very serious to represent these two types of beauty, as he says that a person in the first stanza, I am talking about first stanza, he says that एक व्यक्ति जो गुलाबी गालों से प्यार करता है, मोगे जैसे होठों की प्रशंसा करता है, सितारे जैसे आँखों की खोज करता है, ऐसा व्यक्ति या ऐसा प्रेमी अपने मन की ज्वाला को, अपने मन की वासना को बढ़ा लेता है। समय के साथ साथ इन सुंदर अंगों का ह्रास हो जाता है। ये सुंदर अंग जिसके आधार पर उसने प्यार किया होता है वो नष्ट हो जाता है, और इस तरह के प्रेमी की, इस तरह की चाहत रखने वाले व्यक्ति की चाहत भी समय के साथ नष्ट हो जाती है। दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टैंजा. In fact, poet wants to say that a person who loves on the basis of external beauty, just like rosy cheeks, coral lip admire, and star-like eyes. These are physical organs. With the passage of time, these organs dies, and a person who loves on the basis of these organs, his love, his attraction, his enchantment also disappears. Therefore, poet does not like physical beauty. That is here. In the second stanza, poet says that a beauty which is based on the simplicity, firm mind, beautiful concept and limited ambition, that is successful, because a love which is based on four virtues, that is permanent. The love which is made on the basis of these internal beauty, that is successful, that never dies with the passage of time. Therefore, such lovers and beloveds who prefers this type of beauty, their love never dies. Therefore, poet prefers this type of beauty. He says that if there is no internal beauty, he does not like external beauty, because he prefers only internal beauty that always inspire them, and those persons who loves internal beauty, they are successful. Thanks. Good night.